What is going on, everyone? Got an unboxing video here to share with all of you of the Tonor Q9 studio microphone. And before I get any further into the unboxing, I just want to jump over here and show you guys that I'm actually using the microphone to do this video. And you can hear how good the quality is. You can see how close I am to it. And it's a great little microphone. I'm really happy with it so far and how it sounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump back, finish the unboxing, and show you what comes with it. And then maybe we'll jump back to the mic here a little bit, and I'll show you a couple more things. So you get the product manual here and instructions on how to plug in your USB cable. And it comes with another little shipping label there. And then we get the pop filter here, which is completely adjustable, and you can pretty much move that around on the little boom arm wherever you need it. And it comes with an almost 6-foot regular USB cable. You get this nice little clamp here with a pretty good amount of clearance to connect it to pretty much whatever desk or area you need to clamp it down on. You get the nice little shock mount to put the microphone in. And you get your boom arm, of course. Now, this thing is pretty light, but it holds the microphone just fine. When you tighten things down, it holds perfectly fine. It is hollow, it is very lightweight, but it works well for this microphone. And you also get one wind screen here to put on the microphone. Actually, right now I'm talking to you guys, I have it on the mic. And here's the actual microphone, all nice and black colored. It is actually pretty good, solid, heavy feeling. On the bottom there, you can see where your USB cable goes. You have one button on the front there that has a plus and minus on it, and you can go up to 100% or, all the way down to 0. Right now, I think I'm talking to you guys, I'm rated about 50%. So it's really easy to plug the cable in and get that going. It's just a standard USB cable. Just plug it into the bottom of the mic, and then this end here you can plug into your USB port on your Mac system or your PC. Again, it requires no drivers. And as far as the clamp, that just slides onto this little post, and you can actually tighten that down on there just like that. And the shock mount just simply screws onto this little post part down here, and then you can adjust that the way you need to. And if you want to move it back and forth, you can just go ahead and loosen that up, and then you have the option to move this thing back and forth. And when you're done, you get it where you want it, you can just go ahead and tighten that thing back up. And as far as the pop filter, you can pretty much, like I said earlier, adjust where you want to put that on the boom arm, and then you can just tighten it down to wherever you need it to be. All you need to do here is squeeze these things in on the shock mount, and then you can place the microphone down into it just like that. And then here's a look at it all finished. Moves around really nice. I went and tightened all the knobs down so I can adjust it all the way down or bring it all the way back up, and it holds in its position perfectly fine. But anyways, jumping back here to the microphone, you can hear how it sounds when I'm like this close to it. I'll go ahead and I'll turn up the volume all the way here, and I'm sure it's sounding pretty bad about right now. And if you have headphones on, I might be probably blowing out your eardrums, but I'm going to go ahead and try and turn this thing back down. Really easy to adjust. I'm going to move back as I'm talking. You can hear what it sounds like. I'm kind of far from it there. If I come around to the side here, you can hear. And if I go over here, or I push this thing out of the road and I try and talk from behind, you can kind of hear how everything sounds as I go around the microphone. So it's best if you're kind of like right in front of the mic for the cardioid mic. It does have a little blue light on it. If you can see that, there's a little blue light right there on the microphone. So it does indicate that the microphone is on. Let me take this windscreen off and then see if this makes any difference as you guys are listening to me talk. I don't think it's going to make that big of a difference. I'll probably just leave it on there. And if I move this over here and I'm still talking, I don't know if you're hearing it. Maybe it's cut down a little more, maybe not. Let me move that thing away. Now I'm back to normal here. So yeah, let's just go ahead and crank this up a little bit to finish off the video. And there we should be good. Well, that's pretty much all I had for you guys. Just this short unboxing and review video of the Tonor Q9 microphone. So again, this is great for podcast, YouTube games, gaming, live streaming, anything like that you're just getting started out and doing. You can hear how good the quality is. It sounds great. I'm really impressed with it, and I'm going to put one link in the description to Amazon for this microphone. So if any of you are interested, you can click that link, and if you do purchase through my link, I do earn a small commission potentially. So I just wanted to thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed the review. If there's questions or comments, leave that stuff below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.